So we're here today with Generation Atomic, and they have some amazing things to tell us about nuclear power. So over to you guys.
Yeah, so one of the things I was talking about is that we're really just trying to get the word out there that nuclear is a clean energy too. So we're here at CleanPower to advocate for nuclear and really just spread the message that, you know, we produce 20% of the clean power in the U.S. already. There's some negative connotations that are out there in the past, whether we're clean or not, and we talk about like nuclear waste. So one of the things that we talk about, like in the back of the shirt here, is that one nuclear fuel pellet is the same size as the gummy bear, and this is an example of a fuel pellet. One fuel pellet equals this much natural gas, 1 ton of coal. The energy density is just insane. And you know, as I was talking here, is that there's like 1 can of soda. So if you produced all of your electricity from nuclear for your entire lifetime, it would all fit in one can of soda. So that's why we have our koozies here, spreading that message. And you know, the long-term storage of the waste is always another solution. It is, you know, it does get out there and become an issue. So where are we going to put it? But if you look at the fact that we've been storing, like we have all the energy that we've produced since the 1960s, but all of that nuclear waste would fit the size of one Walmart. So if we just had a federal repository where we could bury it all away, you know, in 600 years, which does seem like a long time, but it's not the 10,000 that they talk about all the time. 600 years, all the penetrating photons, the gamma rays, they're really the nasty part of radiation that we have to bury in concrete and really keep safe. All that goes away in 600 years, and it exponentially goes away and decays. And then after that, you're just up with another toxin, just like oil or something like that. But it's so much denser. You know, one Walmart after 60 years, from the 1960s, is just insane. Yeah, I was blown away when I learned that fact. Any other questions I can answer?
No, that's really great. Thank you for the explanations. Yeah.
So, hi, I'm Karl from Generation Atomic. We've got a number of educational items here. This is the megawatt card game. And if you look here, we have the energy mixes of 3 different states. One of these is California, one of these is Louisiana, and one of these is Illinois. And so if anyone coming up here can guess which is the home state of Louisiana and which is California. Also, we've got some things like a Geiger counter radiation detector here. This is a piece of old dinnerware that was coated in uranium glass. That's about the same activity as flying over the Atlantic Ocean up in an airplane. So not all that problematic, but it sure makes a lot of noise. And that's the reality, is that radiation is everywhere around us. Radiation permeates our bodies every day. It's not something that we need to be scared of. We have to understand the dose is the poison. So the further away from this plate you are, the less dose you're going to have. So again, thanks from Generation Atomic. We're here at Clean Power America 2023.